Welcome to Sierra School, where success is tradition. We are a K-12 private school located in Santa Clara, focused on providing a balanced curriculum to all grade levels. Contact us today to schedule a tour of our campus or for more information on enrollment for this school year or the next. Our campus embodies the philosophy that each student is an individual. Sierra believes that no two people learn in the same manner or at the same rate. Our highly qualified educators are committed to facilitating instruction according to this belief through differentiation in language arts and math, allowing students to work beyond grade level or receive additional academic support. Our small class sizes create opportunities for high levels of collaboration and engagement among students and teachers, making learning fun and exciting. This feature is something that makes Sierra truly special. Our academic curriculum is balanced with a strong enrichment program. Students participate in social-emotional learning, foreign language, music, drama, technology, physical education, and art, beginning in kindergarten. We also offer a variety of after-school activities such as chess, yoga, Lego, karate, and keyboard. We foster a solid commitment to our students to build a strong sense of community, mutual respect, and compassion for others. Through field trips, guest speakers, activities within our classrooms, community, and campus, the Sierra student participates in the world around them as a positive contributor. It's our mission to foster this passion for academic success and development into global citizens in every student at Sierra School. Beginning in January, Sierra will offer options for distance learning as well as in-person instruction. We invite you to learn more about our campus and come feel the difference at Sierra.